guys, this is Iro. In this video, I'm going to talk about music accidentals.
An accidentals is a symbol in music notation. Each symbol has its own function. They either raise or lower a natural note by one or two half steps, which means if a symbol is added onto a natural note, it will change the pitch either higher or lower.
To begin, let's look at a piano keyboard. The green key is middle C note and the orange key is the higher C note. How many different notes are there in between these two Cs? If we count all the black and white notes without counting the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, we'll find there are 12 different notes, and we call the span of these notes an octave. This isn't just for the piano. Every instrument uses the same series of notes. So we have 12 different notes, but we only use 7 letters of the alphabet. What about those notes in between? To cover all those notes, we can use accidentals. There are 5 different accidentals which are commonly used. First up, a lot of people when they first see this, they will be like, "Ooh, is that a hashtag there?" Nope, we call this a sharp. If you look close enough, they actually look different. So please don't call it a hashtag, it's a sharp. When a sharp is added to a note, it changes the pitch one half step higher. So if it's on the piano, it will be like this, moving one half step higher to the right. To lower the original pitch a half step lower, a flag will be added next to the original note.
There is a saying, double the love, double the happiness. Well, we do have doubles in this context, double sharp and double flat. But I'm not quite sure will that be double the happiness for most of us.
A double sharp changes an original pitch by 2 half steps higher, whereas a double flat changes an original pitch by 2 half steps lower.
In music, there are times that you need to cancel out the sharp, flat, double sharp, and double flat. For that, we use the sign called natural. The natural restores a note to its original pitch.
Now that we have learned all 5 different accidentals, let's talk about how accidentals generally work in music. When a note with accidentals, let's say F sharp appears in the music, this accidentals affects every note on that space until the end of the bar, which means the note F in bar 2 is not affected by the sharp. What about when the notes are in different register? As I mentioned before, accidentals on a line or space only affect the notes on that line or space. Therefore, the first E is an E flat, but the second E is an E natural. Positioning accidentals is important to know too. Accidentals are written in front of the notes, but in text, accidentals are written after the letter names.
Yep, that's about it. I hope this video gives you a better understanding of types of accidentals and how they work. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!